The pituitary gland is a small, pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain, beneath the hypothalamus. Often called the master gland, the pituitary plays a crucial role in regulating various vital bodily functions by secreting hormones that control other endocrine glands and a wide range of physiological processes. Here's an overview of what the pituitary gland does. 1. Hormone production and release. The pituitary produces and secretes several important hormones that influence growth, metabolism, reproduction, and stress responses. It is divided into two parts: anterior pituitary, front part. This part produces and releases a variety of hormones that control other glands and many bodily functions. Growth hormone, GH, stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and cell regeneration. It also affects metabolism. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, which helps the body respond to stress. Prolactin promotes milk production in women after childbirth. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, regulate the reproductive system, including the production of eggs in women and sperm in men. Melanocyte-stimulating hormone, MSH, affects pigmentation of the skin by stimulating the production of melanin. Posterior pituitary, back part. The posterior pituitary doesn't produce its own hormones. Instead, it stores and releases hormones produced by the hypothalamus. These include antidiuretic hormone, ADH. Also called vasopressin, ADH regulates the balance of water in the body by acting on the kidneys to conserve water and reduce urine output. Oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions during labor and milk ejection during breastfeeding. It also plays a role in bonding and emotional attachment. Regulation of other glands. The pituitary controls the thyroid gland through TSH, the adrenal glands through ACTH, the gonads through FSH and LH, and the mammary glands through prolactin. By secreting various hormones, the pituitary acts as a central coordinator for the body's hormonal balance and helps regulate the body's responses to stress, growth, and reproduction. 3. Hypothalamic control. The hypothalamus, a region of the brain just above the pituitary, directly regulates the pituitary's hormone release. The hypothalamus sends signals in the form of releasing or inhibiting hormones to the anterior pituitary, telling it when to release certain hormones. For example, the hypothalamus releases thyrotropin-releasing hormone, TRH, to signal the anterior pituitary to release TSH, which then acts on the thyroid. 4. Homeostasis. The pituitary helps maintain homeostasis, or the body's internal balance, by regulating metabolism, growth, reproductive processes, and fluid balance. It also coordinates the body's response to stress and environmental changes. Summary of key pituitary functions. Growth and development. Growth hormone, GH, controls growth and metabolism. Thyroid regulation. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, influences metabolism. Adrenal function. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, helps with stress and immune response. Reproduction. FSH and LH regulate the reproductive organs. Fluid balance. ADH regulates water balance in the kidneys. Emotional bonding. Oxytocin plays a role in emotional connections, childbirth, and breastfeeding. In short, the pituitary gland plays a vital role in maintaining the body's hormonal balance and regulating many critical processes that sustain life, from growth to reproduction to stress management.